So here I'm going to show you how to do the make one left increase, which uses the little bar in between the stitches. So you work up to the point where you want your increase to be, and then if you stretch your knitting, you'll see this little bar that joins the stitches on the left and right needle. And what you need to do is take your left hand needle tip and bring it round to the front and underneath that bar so that you're putting the loop onto the needle. Now we need to knit into the back of this, which can be a little bit tight, so if you just stretch it a little bit and then relax your knitting, you see the loop kind of bunches up a little bit on the needle. So if you use your finger to push down on the loop and kind of slide backwards a little bit and hold that tight, it creates this nice loop that you can then just pop your needle through and wrap the round and knit as normal. So I'll show you that again. So you're going from the front to the back under the loop. You're going to give it some slack, hold it with your finger, and then we're going down and knitting into the back loop. Wrap the yarn round, and there you go. That's how you do a make one left.